This 2018 Dutchmen Voltage 3605 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, LP detector, spare tire kit, Slideout, auxiliary battery, DVD player, stove top burner, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, awning, oven, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Dutchmen Voltage 3605 is 13,563 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.